Fabs, and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new here, my name is Daniela Tabois, and welcome to the House of Tabois. So, I have a lot to explain to you since the last video that I posted about a month ago. Let me tell you, my channel was hacked, guys. My channel was hacked. Can you believe that? And I think it was hacked by an email that I received, one of those sponsored emails, and they had an attachment in the email, and I went ahead and clicked the attachment just to see what was going on, and that's how my channel was taken. So the perpetrator ended up taking my small bridal channel, which was like, I don't get that much traffic on that bridal channel because I haven't posted in a while. So I think that they took that channel first, and then they switched out all the content that was on there, and then they put up a live for them to go ahead and stream out whatever they were streaming. So it was one day I was sitting down in my computer, and all of a sudden I got an alert from YouTube talking about my channel is terminated. And you can't imagine how crazy I was going in my head, like, oh my gosh, all of this work that I did within 10 years and finally reaching 300K subscribers is all gone. Like, what? Yes, I finally made it to 300K subscribers. Yes, let's party. I'ma do it, finally, yeah. So I'm like, oh my gosh, so now this is where I'm at 10 years, and I felt kind of bummed about it because I'm like, oh my goodness, I don't have nothing to show for it. Like, I'm not known for something. Yes, I do the couture type things, but it's like a gown here, a this there, a that, and I feel like that's not a thing that I want to be known for. So in 2022, things are going to be changed around here, which bring me to announce that this is going to be my last half scale. I noticed that you guys are not that interested in this half scale, which is, to me, I find that crazy because at the end of the day, it's information. But I get it, so I'm going to go ahead and move away from this and get back into full scale. But I will explain all that in my next video because the whole year I'm basically planning it out from now and moving on. So in this video, we're going to go and finish up this one. I'm gonna go ahead and rhinestone and complete this up. Since I had some time off, I'm like looking at it now, and I'm like, I'm gonna make some changes, so it's not gonna be the same concept that I was gonna have. Well, actually, it's gonna be the same thing, but I'm just gonna change it up, you know, whatever. All right, so here is the dress. This is basically what it's going to be since the last video that I posted. So you guys saw that tutorial. I will link that above for you guys to see how I drape this. I'm going to be doing a color block for the top part of this, and I'm going to be rhinestoning the bottom, but this time I'm going to be doing like fringy rhinestones. So we'll see how this outcome comes out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slash into the sleeve to kind of spread it just a little bit to give me a more wider instead of a square hem finish like this. And this part, I'm going to curve it more instead of it looking like this because I don't like the way this looks. So I'm going to go ahead and just curve that out. I'm going to go ahead and take it apart and then transfer it onto fabric, and then we're just going to start rhinestoning straight through. now that I've done with the outer shell, I'm gonna go ahead and start rhinestoning and using this glue. I use the same glue that I used in the last rhinestone tutorial video, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it again. I'm gonna be adding some rhinestone trim. To the pink areas to kind of give me a little bit of fringe, where I'm gonna just leave it hanging off in some spots. So this is gonna be fun. I got in this color, pretty, and I also got it in the blue. As well, so we're gonna see how this goes when I go ahead and start applying them on here. All right, ladies and gents, I am finished rhinestoning, and here is the final piece right here. It took me about like two and a half days to go ahead and rhinestone, and as you can see, it's fringy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the dress form just to see how it looks so far, and then I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to the upper bodice. Ooh-wee. So here we are. The rhinestone and the fringe detailing is gorgeous. Girl, guys, she is fringy, yes. Okay guys, so this is the final piece and I am obsessed of how it came out. I'm really considering doing it full scale for my size for my B-Day, which is in April 19. I'm gonna be able to strap myself down the street, shimmying with all this fringe rhinestone goodness. Now, I have been debating to do another style for my B-Day in full scale, and I'll post a picture right here. I did this in half scale last year, and I was thinking about doing this in another color. So let me know down in the comment section if you think I should do that one or do this rhinestone girl. So thanks for watching the video. This will be my final last scale tutorial. I'm going to be moving forward into the new year with something else, and I will explain that in my next video. Thank you guys for all your support, especially for the 300K subscribers who have joined this channel. I appreciate you and hope that you stick around for the next chapter of this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.